Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. I have a very nice video for you today. We're going to be opening up the Softflex Company Design Challenge Kit, and I can't wait to see what's in it. I've been opening up their kits for quite some time, and I've loved every single one of them. Now, if you're not familiar with the Softflex Company Design Challenge Kits, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video, along with a link to the website. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And here we have the Softflex Company Design Challenge Kit. Now this kit was released at the end of February, but I actually received it a little bit before I went on travel, which was a little bit over a week ago. So I'm a little bit late opening it up, but I wanted to show you what's in it. A little bit of information about the Softflex Company. It's based out of Sonoma, California, and it's a small family-run business. They specialize in flexible beading wire, but they also carry their own line of craft wire, as well as findings, tools, gemstones, and glass beads. And this kit retails for $34.95. And it includes everything you need to make a few jewelry projects right out of the package, minus the tools, of course. Now, by the time you see this video, it may actually be sold out, but they do have other kits on the website, and I'm pretty sure they have the March kit. And the March kit will actually be launched on the 27th of March. They usually do that on the Softflex Company Facebook page. They do a reveal as well as a project. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, I encourage you to go to their Facebook page and join that page. But anyway, guys, I can't wait to see what's in this kit, so let's go ahead and open it up. It says, I'm a little teapot, short and stout. I wonder if that's a hint about what's in this kit. Let's take a look. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. It's a tea bag and the flavor is organic peppermint. How cool is that? And it's organic too, so that's really nice. Look at these beautiful earthy tones. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. And look at the color of that beading wire. That is so nice. Let me get organized and we'll go through the entire kit. I thought we'd take a look at the strands first. As you can see, the kit came with 3 strands. And by the way, it does come with a list of contents, as you can see. Let's take a look at these. These are so beautiful. Look at that color. What a pretty color. These are 5 polished rounds, and they're checked glass, of course. They measure 7 millimeters and the color is gold. It's such a pretty gold. Look at that. Don't you love that? Look how sparkly it is. These are really, really pretty. Let's take a look at these now. These are square beads, as you can see, but I think they're 2-hole beads, I believe. I'm not sure if you guys can see that second hole there. How cool is that? These are so nice. They're called tile beads and the color is brown. Although I think the brown is the wash because the actual bead is actually like an ivory color. These are really lovely. You can do so much with 2-hole beads. Let's take a look at these now. These are ceramic beads and obviously the color is brown. They kind of look like chocolate, don't they? Some kind of chocolate candy. And I don't know what size these are. Let me get my bead caliper. Let's take a look. It looks like they measure 12 millimeters in size. So they're quite big, but what I like about these is that they have very large holes. So you could definitely use leather cord if you wanted to. Very nice. I love these earth tones. Let me get the next few items. Here are the next few items. Now the beads came in their own separate bag, and so did these items here. And the 3 bags were all stapled together. I'm not sure why, but I'm sure there's a reason. But anyways, you can see we have some very high quality crimp tubes. I think Softflex carries the best crimp tubes on the market, to be quite honest. They're sterling silver and they measure 2 by 2 millimeters. And if you're one of those people that has trouble crimping and you've never used Softflex crimp tubes, you should try it because it'll change your world, I promise you. It makes crimping so much easier when you use high quality crimp tubes. Let me put them off to the side for the time being so we can take a look at these items. We have 2 different kinds of beads here. The larger ones are called button mold beads and the color is cream. Let me give you a close-up. Here's 4 of them. And I wish I knew why they're called button mold beads. But I can imagine that maybe they created these beads using a button of some kind. They used the design from the button and they created a mold. I'm just guessing, I don't know. But anyway, I think they're very pretty. I really like them. Let's take a look at these little ones. I get a kick out of the name of these beads. They're called piggy beads. And I think they're called piggy beads because they look like little pig noses. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. But anyways, you can see they're 2-hole beads. And actually, I don't know if I've used these before. I think I have, I just don't remember how. But if you've never used these, I'm sure there are lots of tutorials on YouTube. And they look like they measure maybe 7 millimeters across. And they do have that beautiful AB finish on the surface. I like that. And there are quite a few there. Let's take a look at this very interesting pendant. How cool is that, guys? Look at this. It says, I am brave, fearless, and strong. And on this side, it's plain. And believe it or not, this is actually a teaspoon, which they obviously flattened and created a pendant from it. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh. I love this. It's so unique, isn't it? And I think it's about 50 millimeters in length and maybe 25 across, something like that. And over here we have some ear wire hooks, a lobster clasp, and some jump rings. There are 4 ear wire hooks and 10 jump rings. The jump rings look like they're good quality too because they have very clean cuts. They're so cleanly cut I don't even see them, but they are open jump rings. So that's really nice that they include these items because like I said before, that's all you need to create earrings and then either a necklace or a bracelet. Let me get the next item. And here we have a Jesse James Beads Design Elements bead mix. And as you can see, it was specially put together for this kit. The name of this bead mix is Special T. I love Jesse James Beads bead mixes. Let me go ahead and open it up. That's quite a bead mix. Look at how many beads are in this little packet. And they usually include even sets of each one. Let me go ahead and sort these so we can take a better look. I thought I would slide them onto some rods. Now I couldn't slide these on because they're actually cabochons. Let me show you. Aren't these pretty? They're so pretty. You could glue these onto a bezel or you could do some wire wrapping with these. I've used them quite a bit in the past and I've used both methods. But anyway guys, look at all these beads. There are so many, it's unbelievable. And my cat just jumped on my lap. So let me see if I can show you these beads without dropping the rods. Let's take a look at these. As you can see, there's all kinds of shapes and sizes and finishes. Look at these here. These are so beautiful. They're like a coppery color. And then we have these. I love the shape of these. And then we have these other ones, these metal ones. I think they're metal. They have large holes. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they have very large holes. And then we have a couple of cage beads here. And these other metal ones. They're so unique, aren't they? Now these metal ones I think have a little crystal inside of them. It's difficult to see, but they do have a little crystal inside. I love these. Let's take a look at these now. These look like they're metal, but I'm not sure. I love that flower design. And we do have some bead caps here. There's a total of 4. I thought I would put them on these frosted beads so you can see how it changes the bead. And we have these other ones here. They have a bit of a satiny finish. And here's some rhinestone spacer beads. They're so sparkly and so pretty. There's definitely a lot to choose from. Let's take a look at these little ones. We have some cube beads here. They're in a kind of a bisque color. And here we have some rondelles, faceted rondelles in a peach color. That's what's so nice about these mixes. You get a variety of sizes, which I really appreciate. And like I said before, they usually come in even numbers, which makes it super easy if you want to make earrings. But anyway, let me get the last item. And here we have some soft flex beading wire. This one's the medium weight. It measures 0.019 inches or 0.48 millimeters. And the test strength is 26 pounds. And the color is bone. It's such a pretty color. It's going to look really nice with those beads. But anyway, guys, the Softflex company is known for their beading wire. It's excellent quality, and the thing I like about it is that it doesn't kink. And this one is 49 strands, which makes a jewelry piece drape really nicely. The other nice thing about the Softflex beading wire is that it comes in a multitude of colors. So if you ever wanted to make a piece with exposed beading wire, like an illusion necklace or something like that, and you want the colors to match, this is the perfect beading wire for that. But anyway, what I'd like to do now is to bring out everything and show you the entire collection. So let me go ahead and arrange everything on my workspace and I'll be right back. Well, here's the whole collection, the Special T collection, and I absolutely love it. I love this pendant. I think it's so unique. And I did put the beads back in the pack because that's the only way I can keep myself organized. But as you saw, there were tons of beads in that packet. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, this is a great kit to buy because like I said, you have all the items you need to make jewelry pieces. And like I said before, I do encourage you to go to their Facebook page. It's a great place to share ideas and get inspiration. A lot of people post their designs on that page. But anyway, like I said before, I'll leave a link to the website so you can check out their kits. They have other kits besides the design challenge kits. I hope you've enjoyed today's unbagging. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.